Hello guys and welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn that how to use Tooltip widget in web application. So for using Tooltip widget we need to assign a title in the element which we are going to use. So I'm going to use the Tooltip widget on this input tag. So inside that I need to assign the title equal to select date of birth. Now I'm going to the index.js file. Just like the date picker, I need to assign the jQuery UI widget method and date picker dot to dip, should be dip not top, to parentheses and semicolon. So I'm going to save the file. When I refresh the file, you guys have noticed that it is giving me a nice tooltip widget when I mouse over the input tag. So guys, you can use the functions just like we have used inside the date picker widget. So to curly braces, and inside that you can assign the content from here as well. Content equal to select user select your date of birth. So I'm going to save it. When I refresh the file, as you can see that select your date of birth. So you can write the content over here instead of writing the title over here, right? So now you can use the effect as well, right? So for that, what we need to do, we are going to write show and then two more so right, and then two more curly braces, and right inside that I'm going to write effect, and this should be fade explode, and then duration, this should be 900 millisecond. So I'm saving it. When I refresh the file, so as you can see it is giving me an effect as well. So you can change the effect as well from here. This should be bounce. Bounce is also a very popular effect. So as you can see, it is giving me an effect as well. So guys, in this class we have learned that how to use tooltip widget in a web application. So in the next class we are going to learn about the accordion. So see you guys there. Till then, have a nice day.